Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share Amazon Pay link on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, go ahead, access your Amazon shopping app on your mobile phone and make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Afterwards, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line given on the bottom right corner. Go ahead, tap on it. That way you will be able to access this lists on top. From over here, you have to choose this option of Amazon Pay right over here. Go ahead, tap on it. Upon doing that, you will access this kind of interface for Amazon Pay over here. Here in the section, if you go in the Pay Now option, you will find option of Scan and Pay, Send Money, Get Payment, including this option of Invite and Earn. For you to generate the link, all you have to do is tap on it. And right over here, you will find this Invite Friends and Earn. This link will be generated over here in the section of Invite Your Friend. All you have to do is simply tap on that link of yours. And now right over here, afterwards, you can see this option of Invite on WhatsApp in the bottom. Go ahead, tap on it. And then it will simply pop up this WhatsApp option right over here. You go ahead, choose the WhatsApp of yours once you have tapped on it. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to find the list of the friends and family that you can share to. Go ahead, choose a particular account and you will be able to direct it to the chat section. Tap on send and you will be able to share that link to them. All they have to do is open it up, create their account and use it, and you will be able to earn as well. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.